Let's proceed with the implementation of the complex operations for category, and this time is the turn for the category seller controller index method. Basically, this is going to allow us to know which sellers are the sellers, of course, for a specific category. This is going to be a little interesting, but in fact, we are going to use basically the same as we did in the previous section for the Boolean complex operations. So let's create a new controller for category seller controller. After this, remember, we just need to use the index method, extends from API controller, and just register the root. It is going to be category sellers handled by the category seller controller, and once again using only the index method. After this, we just need to receive the instance of that specific category. And now let's see how to obtain the sellers. Well, we don't have a direct relationship between seller and category, but we know that a category has several products and every one of those products has one seller. So again, we are going to use the eager loading to obtain first the list of all the products related with the category, and then inside of every of those products, we are going to obtain the seller. Let's do it. We obtain the list of products. Then we are going to request every one of those products with its seller. Just obtain it. And as usual, we are going to obtain a list of products, and inside every product we are going to have a seller. But we only need the sellers, so we are going to use the plug method, requesting to obtain only the indexes with sellers. That is very possible that there exists several products with the same seller in this category, so we need to use the unique method to do not repeat, and to avoid any empty element in this list, we need to use the values to rebuild the indexes for the collection. After this, we should be done, so we just need to return. Let's see with Postman if everything is working properly. Let's obtain the sellers for the category number 1, and here we have. This is the list of all the sellers for this specific category. Again, if we specify different IDs, it is going to change as expected, and if we use a category that does not exist, it is going to fail with a 404 code. So, we are done now with the implementation of this new complex operation. See you in the next class.